Are you in a fractured relationship? If so, the Relationship Success Series is for you. Has the passion and energy just leaked out of your relationship? If so, the Relationship Success Series can give you the tools to reignite the passion in your relationship. Do you want to deepen the intimacy? If so, the Relationship Success Series can open the door to intimacy for you and your partner. If you and your partner have lost all hope of restoring the relationship, the Relationship Success Series is especially for you. Dr. Tony Victor here, and for more than 3 decades, I have guided couples working to restore their relationships. And after 30 years of experience sitting with thousands of couples, learning from them, leading marriage workshops for thousands of couples, and training marriage and family therapists all around the globe in Imago Relationship Therapy, I have integrated the best of all that I have learned into this dynamic, affordable series of 1/2-day workshops. The Relationship Success Series will provide you and your partner with the keys of understanding and the tools that will empower you to put your love into action. In this 4-session series, each power-packed half-day workshop will provide you with a laser-sharp focus on one essential aspect of relationship building. In each workshop, I will share vitally important information that all couples need to know, but have never been taught for relationship success. In each workshop, I will teach essential skills that all couples need for relationship success, and you will have the opportunity to practice these skills in a very safe place with your partner. I designed each half-day workshop to be practical and affordable, so whether you register for one or for the whole series, you will benefit from these workshops. I recommend that you register for the whole series, and you will have the greatest benefit and receive a massive discount over the individual workshop series investment. If you want to move your relationship from this to this, simply click this link to register or look below for all of the details about each of these workshops, and be sure that you read the details about our satisfaction guarantee. At the Midwest Relationship Center, we are here to serve you. So give us a call or send us an email with your questions, comments, or concerns. And I look forward to seeing you and your partner in our upcoming workshops. This is Dr. Tony Victor saying, until next time, stay connected.